In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build a resume in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean professional resume that's easy to update and tailor for any opportunity, all inside a workspace you already use. First, let's find a template. Open Notion and head to the template gallery or browse a trusted marketplace. Use the search bar to look for terms like resume or 105 and preview a few options to see which layout matches your style and industry. Pay attention to readability, spacing, and whether the sections fit what you want to highlight, like experience, skills, education, or projects. Minimal, well-structured designs are usually best for quick scanning. If you see templates labeled as free or paid, choose what suits you and make sure the license allows personal use. Take a moment to click into the preview pages and scroll. You'll get a feel for headings, spacing, and how information flows. When a design checks all your boxes, you are ready to bring it into your own space. Next, duplicate the template to your workspace. In the top right corner of the template page, click the Duplicate button. If you have multiple workspaces or team spaces, select the one where you want this resume to live. Notion will copy the entire page, including its structure and example content, into your sidebar. Rename the page to something clear, like Resume, and optionally adjust the icon and cover to keep things professional and simple. It's a good idea to keep a clean, untouched copy of the original template somewhere, so you can always start fresh if you want to try a different style later. Now customize the content. Replace the placeholder text with your own information, focusing on clarity and impact. Start with a short professional summary that sets the tone. In your work history, list your roles with clear titles and dates. Then use concise statements to highlight achievements. When possible, quantify results to show impact. Add a skills section that reflects tools and strengths relevant to the roles you want. Include education and certifications if they support your story. Feel free to reorder, rename, or remove sections so the page emphasizes what matters most for your goals. Keep formatting consistent. Use the same heading levels, spacing, and alignment throughout. Notion blocks make it easy to organize content into columns. Add subtle dividers, and keep text scannable. Keep the design clean, avoid heavy colors, and ensure everything reads well on both desktop and mobile. Finally, proofread carefully, and consider saving a version you can quickly tailor for different applications. That's it. Find a template, duplicate it, and make it your own. Thanks for watching.